Yeah, also I forgot to say I also changed I changed the plugs, spark plugs. It's got 6 brand new NGK plugs. Sorry about the sound. NGK plugs, ignition coils, all 6 of them was used. I'm stuck, man. Can anybody help me out? Appreciate it. Thank you.